if you got you need to do a heavy metal detox. And the reason that is because of graphene. Now, a lot of you, I'm sure you've heard about graphene being in and if you don't know what graphene is, it's programmable matter because it can be manipulated through electromagnetic frequencies. And if you understand the transitioning from 3D, 4D, 5D, when it comes to our towers, it's not just to do with our consciousness and the elevation of our consciousness, but 3G could not penetrate the cell membrane when 5G can. Graphene is basically a one atom thin sheet of carbon-based material with a hexagonal lattice structure like mesh of chicken wire. And it's extremely strong, it's flexible, it's flame retardant, and it turns light into electricity. And it is invisible to the naked eye without a microscope. Now, it's important to understand that when the government says going green, nothing about the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals is actually even green, because they want to plant sensors everywhere and on everything like humans, plants, and animals, not just on products built into the environment. There are people in American universities that want to spray smart dust over the entire city to have everything recorded into the system because they want to have their tentacles in every aspect of every human's life. Now, the government is basically the machine, and the AI is the quantum computing beast system, and our federal tax dollars are funding this transition to post-humanism. This is why, for the love of all that is holy, you need to stop letting AI do things for you. You need to stop giving AI information to build shit for us. That is the Antichrist. That is the anti-everything. That is the end of us. They're moving us into an era where every human has to have a global digital citizenship, and that will be done using blockchain for permanent record keeping, which is basically using cryptocurrency, creating digital twin identities. The AI wants to learn what it's like to be human, so we're all teachers to the AI system as it feeds on our information. So humans are now the data mining enterprise because we are the next phase of resource extraction. Listen, this graphene shit's not just in our... Okay, it's going to be used in air filtration systems, water purification systems, and soil systems. I want you to look up a man by the name of James Tour, Dr. James Tour, the founder of Advanced Materials. He's also a professor at a university. On his YouTube channel, he's bragging about how he's the leader of the nanotech revolution. His students already developed and patented something called laser-induced graphene, which is being used to laser logos into food. So this graphene is now edible. There is basically no limit to the possibilities of its use when it comes to graphene. Even now, it's being studied in bio-nanocompatibility, and they're currently using graphene for male condoms and even inside of women's wombs surrounding the placenta. Now that leads into biodigital convergence and hacking humans or improving humans to a thing called Humanity Plus. And if you look up Humanity Plus, they are a non-profit organization which was conceived to reach transhumanists around the world. And this organization advocates ethical use of technology to improve the human condition and expand human capabilities. And the chair of this organization is Dr. Ben Goertzel. I don't know if I said that right, but if you look him up, he's responsible for the brain software in Sophia the robot. Now, I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I'm just telling you how it is. Maui is only the beginning. Back in 2017, there were tweets from these organizations on how Maui was going to be the epicenter for these techno cities. So we need to stop fucking with AI. We need to stop feeding this quantum computing beast system because it's literally just gathering our information and it's getting smarter day by day. We need to somehow end this. We need to end this fictitious hierarchy. I don't know how we're going to do it, but I'm hoping that this video gets to you and you kind of see what's going on. But I can only do so much. We need to stay away from transhumanism and we need to transcend. Merge with Mother Nature and not 5G. 5D, not 5G.